What if I told you that you can create complete YouTube videos without editing, without recording your voice, without showing your face, and without using any complicated software? Like this.
Hi everyone, what if I told you that you can create professional YouTube videos without showing your face, without recording?
In this video, you are going to discover a free AI tool that can turn simple text into professional YouTube videos in just minutes. You will learn how to use HeyGen step by step, how to write the perfect text for it, how to choose the right voice, how to generate talking videos, and how to use this method for YouTube automation. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how creators are producing content faster than ever using AI, and how you can start doing the same today, even if you are a complete beginner. Most people think YouTube videos require expensive cameras, microphones, editing skills, and a lot of time. But the truth is, AI has completely changed the game. Today, you can sit with your phone or laptop, type a few lines, and an AI avatar will speak for you with perfect lip sync and natural voice. This is exactly what HeyGen allows you to do. And the best part is, you can test it for free. Now let me show you how this actually works in a simple and practical way. First, you go to the HeyGen website and create a free account using your email or Google login. Once you enter the dashboard, you will see different options, but the one we care about is creating a video from text. This is where the magic begins. You do not need any editing experience. Everything is already prepared for you. When you click to create a new video, HeyGen will ask you to choose an avatar. You can select a professional male or female avatar, or even upload your own photo and turn it into a talking character. For beginners, I recommend using a stock avatar because they already look realistic and polished for YouTube content. After choosing the avatar, you move to the script box. This is the most important part. HeyGen does not work like Meta AI where you give a long creative prompt. Here, you write exactly what you want the avatar to say. Think of it as writing your YouTube script in paragraph form. For example, instead of writing, "Create a motivational speech," you directly write the speech itself. The AI will read it exactly as you write it. That is why your text must be simple, conversational, and natural. Let me show you how to write text for HeyGen correctly. You should write in short, clear sentences. Avoid very long complex sentences. Write the way you speak. Imagine you are talking to one person, not a crowd. This makes the voice sound more human. For example, instead of writing, "In today's modern technological era, artificial intelligence has significantly transformed content creation," you should write, "Today, AI is changing how we create videos. And it is making everything faster and easier." This style works much better for AI voices. Now, once your text is ready, you scroll down and choose a voice. HeyGen offers multiple American English voices. For YouTube automation, you should choose a voice that sounds calm, clear, and friendly. Not too robotic, not too dramatic. After selecting the voice, you will notice that HeyGen automatically synchronizes the lips with the voice. You do not need to do anything manually. This is one of the strongest features of HeyGen. Next, you can choose the background. You can keep it plain, use a studio background, or add a custom image. For YouTube tutorials, simple clean backgrounds work best because they keep the focus on the avatar. Now you click generate, and within a few minutes, your video is ready. Now let me explain how you can use this for YouTube automation. Instead of recording yourself, you can write your YouTube script, paste it into HeyGen, generate the video, and upload it directly to YouTube. You do not need a camera. You do not need a microphone. You do not need editing software. You only need good ideas and good text. This is why so many faceless YouTube channels are growing using AI. Now let me show you how to structure your text for HeyGen videos. Your text should always start with a hook. A hook is a line that makes the viewer curious. For example, most people are wasting hours editing videos, but today I will show you a way to create videos automatically using AI. This instantly grabs attention. After the hook, you explain the problem. Then you present the solution. Then you show how it works. And finally, you motivate the viewer. HeyGen will speak exactly what you write, so your storytelling matters. Now let me give you an example of a small HeyGen script. Most YouTubers think video editing is difficult. But today, I will show you a free AI tool that creates YouTube videos automatically. This tool is called HeyGen. With HeyGen, you can turn text into talking videos in minutes. You do not need any editing skills. You just write your script, choose a voice, and generate your video. This is how simple it can be. Now let me explain something very important about HeyGen free plan. The free plan allows you to test the platform and create short videos with watermark. This is perfect for learning, testing, and even starting a new channel. Later, if you grow your channel, you can upgrade. But for beginners, free plan is more than enough. Now let me show you how to make your HeyGen videos look more professional. First, always use high-quality avatars. Second, keep your script natural. Third,
Everyone,
do not
what if I
overload
told
the
you that
video
you
with
can
too
create
much
professional
information in
YouTube
one
videos
sentence.
without showing your
And
face,
fourth,
without
always
recording your
preview
voice,
before
and without
downloading.
any editing skills? Today, I'm going to show you how AI can generate realistic talking videos in minutes. This technology is perfect for YouTube automation, online business, education, and content creators who want to save time and grow faster.
Once your video is downloaded, you can upload it directly to YouTube. You can also add background music later if you want, but even without music, the video works fine for informational content. Now think about the possibilities. You can create motivational videos, educational videos, AI tutorials, tech explanations, business tips, faceless YouTube content, all without recording yourself. This is why HeyGen is becoming one of the most powerful AI tools for creators. Now let me show you how to avoid common mistakes. Do not write robotic text. Do not write very long complicated sentences. Do not speak like a robot. Do not rush the information. Always think about the listener. Because even though it is AI, your audience is human. Now let me explain how to combine HeyGen with YouTube automation. You write script. You generate video. You create thumbnail. You upload. You repeat. This is the full system. And once you understand this system, YouTube becomes much easier. HeyGen removes all these barriers. That is why this tool is so powerful. And the best part is, you can start today. No excuses. No waiting. No expensive setup. Just text and AI. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now. You have multiple videos. Your channel is growing. Your confidence is high. And you know exactly how to create content using AI. This is why learning tools like HeyGen early gives you an advantage. Because while others are struggling with editing, you are publishing. While others are learning software, you are growing your channel. And this is the difference between people who succeed and people who quit. Now let me continue showing you more advanced usage. You can create different scenes inside HeyGen. You can change avatars. You can change backgrounds. You can split your script into sections. This gives your video a more dynamic look. But even with simple setup, you can create professional results. Now I want you to understand something very important. HeyGen is not just a tool. It is a skill. And when you master this skill, you can use it for content, business, freelancing, and personal projects. You can even offer AI video creation as a service. Many people are already doing this. And you can start from zero. Now take a moment and think. If you can write text, you can create videos. That is how simple it is. And this is exactly why AI is changing content creation forever. If you want to watch such informative video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon.